Today we are assembling birthing kits to send to women in need of a more sanitary birthing environment. So like countries like Congo, Uganda and South Asia, we're building kits to help them give birth safely in those countries. People involved building these kits are students of reproductive health and women's health. And yeah, basically it's just a unit coordinator just got everyone together to support this great cause. We'll have stuff like soap, a sheet of tarpaulin, some string. Basically all of this is to help the women give birth in a clean environment to help the outcomes of the baby and the mother as well. So last year we had about 1,500 kits and now this year we're expanding up to 1,800. I never expected people to be so enthusiastic about this cause as well. I've had about a team of 20-something students just email me first thing in the morning when the announcement went out. Be like, hey, I want to volunteer. So yeah, it's been a really, really good cause.